Hi guys, so in today's tutorial we will be talking about arithmetic operations in Python. Arithmetic operations in Python include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, which divides and rounds down to the nearest integer, modulus, which gives the remainder of a division, and exponentiation, which raises the left number to the power of the right. So let's have a look at some few examples. Looking at the first example, which is addition, when we add 5 to 3, we will get 8. So you can try this on your own machine in a different cell. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. 5 multiplied by 3 will give us 15. Also, using the floor division, this will divide and round down to the nearest integer, and the modulo will also give us the remainder of a division. So let's have a look at the example 2. So in example 2, we have Sam, who is 0.77 meters tall. We have James, who is 1.9, and we have John, who is also 1.65. So the first question asks us to find about the sum of their ages. So in finding the sum of their ages, we will define a variable called sum that will store the height of Sam, which is 0.77. We will do same with the rest. So once we are done, the syntax for printing a value to a console in Python is using the word print. So we can bring the print statement, then inside the print statement we bring the name of the variable that we've defined, which is Sam. Then we bring the addition sign, James and John. Or better still, we can bring the print statement, then we insert the values of their height inside the print statement, which will give us the same value as 4.32. So you can try these two different approaches in your Jupyter notebook. Okay, so the second question also asks us to find the average height. So in finding the average height, we all know that in finding the average of, let's say, 3 numbers, you sum the 3 numbers and you divide by the total number. So I use the same approach over here. I define a variable called average height, and I brought the sum of the height of Sam, James and John, and I divided by 3 since they are 3 in number. And afterwards I displayed the average height to the console by calling the variable average height. You can still use the print statement, or you call the average height. So I'll leave you to try this one. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.